Life insurance claims can be frustrating for people. So today, let's talk through what the process is for making a life insurance claim. Life insurance claims, just like other insurance claims, are governed by contract. It means that when you open a life insurance claim, or you open a life insurance policy, or someone else takes out a life insurance policy, there is actually a policy or a contract that governs what happens. Most of these policies say that you need to inform the insurer of the passing of the deceased, and typically you need to provide a copy of the death certificate. If you do those things correctly, the next step should be that the beneficiaries receive a payout of the life insurance policy. But that doesn't always happen. Sometimes insurance companies try to look for reasons to deny the life insurance policy claims. Sometimes they go as far back as the application to see things like, did the deceased say that he didn't smoke, but it turned out he did. Sometimes they go back and look through medical records to see if he or she didn't report conditions that they had. Other times, they go even further and accuse the beneficiaries of committing fraud. Now, one of the best ways to avoid this is by making your life insurance policy claim as clear as possible. Another way to avoid this is by just making the claim and making it business as usual. Deaths are really emotional, and it's normal to be completely upset that a loved one of yours passed away. Insurance companies, though, don't see the human side of this. They see the business side of this. And if you're calling an insurance company demanding money every single day, it is possible that an insurance company will grow suspect. They have certain times under Louisiana law that they have to pay out after you make a proper claim. If they don't do so, then your next step is to hire a lawyer. But if you begin calling your insurance company and yelling at them or harassing them, they are very likely to try to slow down your claim based on some theory that you somehow are committing fraud. I can't tell you how often I see policyholders or beneficiaries make life insurance claims or other claims worse for themselves by the way that they treat the insurance company. A life insurance policy claim can be very, very simple because all you need to do is prove that the deceased actually has passed away. And that's really only done with a death certificate or some other proof that the person passed away. Beyond that, it really should be as simple as getting the person paid. Now, if the life insurance policy is not paying out, there is a reason. And it's very important to get a qualified legal team on your side at the outset, because it's much harder to come back from the denial of a claim than it is to simply get the claim paid outright. If you have a life insurance policy claim that you're making and you feel as though you're experiencing some delay, you already have been denied, or you think they're teeing you up for a denial, it's important to call a qualified legal team.